Take my love. I know you make me happy. Run, 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 run. Me happy, run, run, run.
Okay, all righty then. It's that time again, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for Cruising with the Case Handler, a show on personal injury law, where we feature the top personal injury attorney in the United States of America. He's barred, of course, in New Jersey and New York, meaning he practices law in those two states. His name is Adam Handler, the Case Handler, and he's here today, and he's cruising with us. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning into 93.5. Yeah. So, Adam, how you feeling, man?
I'm feeling good because I can say I'm the longest running, most successful, most celebrated attorney on this radio station, at least for now, right?
At least for now. You're going to be walking away with that record. You know, no one is going to be able to actually beat that record.
Listen, we're going out in a blaze of glory, dude. We're going to drop that mic. And it's going to be all good, man. It's going to be all good. Ladies and gentlemen, this community, this 93.5 FM community has embraced me my entire legal career. Since I began practicing personal injury here in New York City in 2005. I've been practicing 20 years. My family, of course, has been practicing in New York City for over 90 years. And it's an honor. It's an honor to represent this community. It's an honor to be your first option. It's an honor to work on your personal injury cases when, God forbid, you're involved in any kind of accident, a car accident, construction accident, Uber accident, slip and fall, trip and fall. If you've been hurt through the fault of somebody else, you are entitled to money under the law, regardless of your immigration status. And once you call that number, you're one step closer to getting that money.
Absolutely. Once again, folks, what we're talking about behind the scenes, subliminally or not subliminally, but directly, is that WVIP 93.5 FM, as it is right now, will be no more come a few months, approximately 60 to 90 days. It's said.
Are you setting the doomsday clock yet? Or is there like a countdown?
Hey, listen.
Tick.
Hey, what's done is done. You know, we just got to be resilient, move on, do what we've got to do as a people. That's you, Adam, myself. One of the things I know about both of us is that we will be here to represent the community, no matter what.
Of course, it's way too important. The stakes are way too high. So, that said, we're gonna do it every day. It's even that more important, ladies and gentlemen, to save that number, to lock it in your phone, to know how to find me on Google. I want to talk about my Google reviews today because I don't think Google's going away anytime.
No, Google's not going away. But also, Adam, we are going to be doing this show at the same time every day. We're going to be announcing that time. But to make sure that you don't miss Cruising with the Case Handler,
yes, good point.
I want everyone. I need for you to, I'm going to take 60 seconds, and I want everyone listening to the show right now to download the Link Up Radio app. That's the first thing. So on Android, on Apple, wherever, download the Link Up Radio app. If you're in your homes, you can go to linkupradio.com, or you can just say, Alexa, play Link Up Radio, and that's it. It will handle it. No, stop.
Also,
stop. She was about to do it. And also, make sure you follow. This is very important. Make sure you follow the Case Handler. Make sure you follow the Case Handler on Facebook, on Instagram. Make sure you note the website. Brand new one is coming. Make sure you follow Link Up Radio and YouTube. Yes, subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right.
Yeah,
go ahead.
It's really important. More than ever, ladies and gentlemen. I always say, check out my social media platform because we're so proud of it. We post those true life success stories, the smiling faces of people holding those big settlement checks. Not because I have any interest in ego. It's more to portray the exceptional legal work we do. So I'm going to say it every day until this station is no more, that you must follow me on Instagram, The Case Handler. you must follow me on Facebook, The Case Handler. It is surefire, the best way to keep in touch with my practice and to know exactly what's going on, with people in your community, people that had those accidents, had lots of choices, of course, tuned out the noise, and then went with who they believe to be the best possible attorney representing them and their family.
Right. And folks, remember, this show will be streamed on Facebook Live. It will be streamed on YouTube Live. We have other platforms. We have different mediums, and we're forging a few things together to make sure that the message continues. And we need for you to actually pass the word on to as many people as possible. But everything that Adam said and I said within the past 3 minutes about following us in one way or another is extremely important. Link Up Radio, all you got to do is Google that or just download the app. Very important. There are many changes that's coming to that app also, so make sure you do that. And we're going to be in a few other networks, but you will find us. We're not going anywhere. The station is, but we're not. All right, Adam, let's feature what it is that you have done over the past 18 years in helping people of this community, especially when they do get hurt in an accident. Hence the reason why we're going to be here for them, as you've been here for them in many ways. All right.
Well, the task, in essence, is a simple one, even though it's not simple, but it's simple. Is that my job is to get you as much money possible, if God forbid you're in an accident, and that comprises of money for your medical bills, your time out of work, and your pain and suffering. Those are all elements of damages that you are entitled to under the law if you've been hurt through the fault of somebody else. And like I said earlier today, and I'll keep repeating it, it's regardless of immigration status. It doesn't matter who you are, where you're from, what you're doing here. If you've been hurt here in New York and New Jersey, you are entitled to money under the law, regardless of your immigration status. I've helped thousands and thousands of people. I've obtained over $175 million for my clients. Okay. And it's not by accident. It's because we perform to the highest caliber required, because we only know one way of doing it, and that's the right way. And there's an expression that I learned many years ago. If it's worth doing, it's worth doing right. You don't cut corners. You do everything above board. You fight until the amount of money is right. And that's why, like I said, over $175 million. We have some true life testimonials I'd like to get to today. We only have a few more minutes before we sign off for the day. Also, maybe some Google reviews. The Google reviews are all 5 stars. You know how we do, Squeeze, and let's actually share. I'm going to share my screen right now, because again, ladies and gentlemen, the best way to get in touch with Adam Handler, your case handler, the most successful, the most celebrated, the longest running attorney on this radio station, is to either link me on social media, Facebook or Instagram, the case handler, or have that number saved. And my phone number is 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529, or just simply do exactly what I just did, and that's Google the case handler. Very proud of my 98, almost at 100, 5-star reviews. Squeeze, maybe you want to read a couple of these off, and then we'll play some testimonials.
Absolutely, man. Man, there's so many of them. Okay, once again, folks, 5-star reviews on Google. Just Google the case handler, and you'll see reviews such as, I am very happy with the quality service Adam Handler has provided from start to finish. He's just an amazing man with great personality. I would highly recommend him. Another one from Anika here. Back in 2021, I needed a lawyer to handle my case, and Adam came highly recommended. We're glad we went with him and his team. Thanks a lot for scrolling, man. Every step of the way, we were updated as to what's going on with our case. Never once did we feel like our case was a back burner. We honestly felt like we were very important. Mr. Adam and his team got us started with all the doctor appointments and follow-ups, and even went so far to as times ask, how are we doing? I'm glad I went with the team. Sincerely, was felt and appreciated. We won our case. Thanks to Adam and team. Hard work and dedication. God bless you. This is just, something that
and you know what, under the as you can see here, for those of you following right now on Facebook, or maybe later on
The
Facebook
keywords.
or Instagram, the keywords:
Yes.
team,
Mhm.
results,
Right.
family,
Uh-huh.
questions,
Right.
firm, settlement, treatment. I mean, those are all things that people had to say about me, that they felt like family. That results and family actually are both tied for the most commonly used. And it's just a great pleasure, Squeeze. I can't say it enough. Don't take my word for it. Don't take Squeeze's word for it. Take the word of those individuals who really were going about their business, never, ever, ever expected to get into an accident, and they needed our help. Check out these two quick testimonials.
I was in an accident 2018. I need a lawyer, and Adam and Matthew and the rest of Cruz, they did an excellent, wonderful job. So if anyone into an accident, malpractice, anything, the person to call or the person to go to is Pollock and Pollock. Adam Andler and Matthew and the rest of the crew, they are wonderful. They are great. I could recommend them to anyone, neighbor, friend, family, anyone, anytime. Call them. Very good. They're on Instagram, everything.
So touching.
So.
Yep. You love it.
So touching.
And another gentleman just picked up a settlement check. This is what he had to say.
Yeah, hello, listeners. I've been listening to the radio commercial with Adam Andler on Irie Jam, and I got into an accident, and I was looking for a lawyer, and I said, oh, this is the one. I never know what to expect when I came here, but from the moment I stepped into his office and he talked to me and went over my case, I know I was in good hands. And every time I run into a problem with my insurance people, I just forward whatever documents I had, and he took care of it. And I'm proud to say that he's the man.
He's reliable.
He's reliable.
He's honest.
He's honest.
And he doesn't give you bull crap. He keeps his word. He's on point, and he always takes your calls. He's never too busy, and he's very pleasant in person and on the phone. He took care of my husband very well, and I highly recommended him. He is one of the best. Adam is awesome.
Thank you very much.
That's it, baby.
Oh, man.
And he didn't hear me on air. I mean, I'm sure he heard me on Irie Jam, but there's a new case, so now we're just streaming. Baby.
Now the streaming. Listen, man, we got a mega plan, man. Yeah, we're gonna be doing some serious promotions on Facebook and Instagram. Continuous daily promotion. About the live show that we're doing here, ladies and gentlemen. So, gonna see a lot of retargeting and remarketing on the web. Popping up on your screens all over the place, because we are definitely going to make sure that we reach you, this community, this culture, this audience. We want to make sure that you have Adam Handler indefinitely for yourself and your family. So make sure you stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all so much. We'll catch up with you, and take care and have an amazing day.